CBS Lake Charles presents CBS Cares. CBS Cares is brought to you by Beer on Vice. Ask anyone who knows them.
Hey CBS Lake Charles, it's Kelsey Swear. I'm here with Allyson Montgomery. She is the Executive Director of the Children's Museum of Southwest Louisiana, opening very soon inside of Port Wonder, something we are all very excited about. Tell us about that.
Yes, so Port Wonder is the building along the lakefront that will house the new facility for the Children's Museum, as well as a walkthrough experience with interactives and aquariums with the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries. And so we plan to have programming year-round, and not just for little kids, for children and adults, youth, senior citizens, people of all ages. And so it's going to be a really, really interactive facility that's open to the public. And we just invite everybody to come out and check us out whenever we get open.
And you are still out in the community even leading up to that.
Yes, so we have lots of activities that we pop up at, and you never know where we're going to be next.
So to keep up with them, you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. It's the Children's Museum of Southwest Louisiana. You can also visit them on their website, swlakids.org. And you're watching CBS Cares.